change the band on your Garmin Fenix 8, Tactix 8 or Enduro 3, flip it upside down and you'll see that those quick fit band is as simply as that to replace. You just pull on that little quick release connector and you just leave it to go back in place. It is as simple as that. So you can quickly change it for one in leather or one in nylon. Or there's also this one in titanium. It's all the very same principle. Or if you have this one in nylon, there's this side that cannot go out over here, but this one can over there. You just pull hard and it goes out. If you want to put it back in, slide it at 45 degrees, grab it on the other side like that, and pull. There you go. Now, one thing that you should know is that the special thing is on the band. That quick release stuff is just about the band. What you have over here is just a regular pin, and you can take it out with a little tool like this one. I'll leave you a link in the description if you want to order it. But basically, you will have to pry just over here and be careful not to break anything, but basically you just pry like that. You will have a lot of fun. That's not easy to remove. You can also try with a little plier, but you'll see, you'll have some fun. It's easier to do when there's a band actually inside it. When you just have that, it's kind of hard, but you can do it. I'll not test it. So now you know how to replace your band. I hope this was helpful. Now, if you need a new band, you can follow the link in the description.